So in this KOHO Financial tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to reset your password on the KOHO Financial application. So once the KOHO app is opened up, just go to the top left and press on the profile icon. Once you're on this page, second from the bottom here, it says login and password. Go ahead and select that. Then on this page right here where it says reset password, create a new password for your account, you would just simply go ahead and select that. It'll then bring you to this page right here, so redirect you to a forgot password page. So all you have to do is go ahead and enter your email address, then press on send reset link, reset your password that way, and you can sort of go from there on your KOHO account. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to reset your password on the KOHO Financial application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.